Hello everyone, welcome to Anbalaya. In this video, we shall discuss 2020 year paper, class 6th, paper 2, intelligent test. We shall see, I have already uploaded the other parts, 2020 mathematics, English and general knowledge. A special playlist has been created for 2020. So this is the last section of the year 2020 to class 6th. 101 Sainik School question paper to class 6. Question number 101, intelligence. If cattle is related to herd, then sheep is related to dash. The collective noun of cattle is herd, herd of cattles. So the collective noun of sheep, option A, flock. 102. Choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 9 as 7 has with 56. We call it 7 is to 56 such that 9 is to dash. 7 8s are 56. Similarly, 9 8s are 72. Option C. 103. Choose the alternative that will continue the number series below. 5, 11, 17, 23 dash. Actually, 6 has been added to each of these numbers. 5 plus 6, 11, 11 plus 6, 17, 17 plus 6, 23, 23 plus 6, option B, 29. If you fold the transparent paper along the dotted lines in figure X, which alternative figure from A, B, C would you get? This is the figure. You are going to fold along this dotted line. So this will, when it comes to this side, it turns opposite, and the answer is, when you turn a page, it comes opposite. So the option is D. 105. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. They are asking odd one out. Option A, bake. B, peel. C, fry. D, roast. Bake, fry, roast, all requires heat. So the odd one out is option B, peel. Here you don't need heat. Okay. 106. Which of the following diagrams indicates the best relationship between India, Haryana and the world? So the relationship is like that. First world, and inside world you find India, and inside India you find Haryana. So the correct option is option D. This is world. Inside world you find India, and inside India you find Haryana. 107. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. What is given here? Virgo, Pisces, Cancer, Orion. All the others are zodiac signs. Virgo, Pisces, Cancer are zodiac signs. Orion is not a zodiac sign, so the odd one out is option D, Orion. 108. If statement is coded as TNEMETATS, then political will be coded as dash. Actually, how has it been coded? Statement just written reverse, STATEMENT, just written reverse. So political also we should write it reverse, LACITILOP. LACITILOP. Option A is the correct answer. 109. If figure X is embedded in any one of the four alternatives figure A, B, C and D, find the alternative which contains figure X as its part. Actually, this is figure X, and you can find this figure X in any one of this A, B, C and D, and which contains this figure X. Can you see? Here you don't have this line, and here you don't have both the lines, and here you don't have this line, and here it is. You can find X in this figure D. So option D is the correct answer. 110. If A means add, B means subtract, C means multiply and D means divide, then what would be the answer of the equation? 15D, 5C, 2A3. D means divide, C means multiplication, A means add. So we have to do 15 divided by 5 into 2 plus 3. When you substitute, you get like this. Rule of simplification says bird mass. Actually, we have to do division first. Division, multiplication, addition, and then subtraction. So we shall do division first. 15 divided by 5, 3. I write rest of the part into 2 plus 3. Then we have to do multiplication. 3 2s are 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. The answer is 9. Option D, 9. 111. 5 men A, B, C, D and E read a newspaper. The one who reads first, give it to C. The person who reads first, give it to C. So C gets second. C comes in order. C is the second one to read the newspaper. The one who reads last had taken from A. So the one who reads last got it from A, which means A is just before the last one. Okay, A is fourth position. C comes to the second position, A comes to the fourth position. E was not the first or last to read. Okay, there were two readers between B and A who read the newspaper last. See, they say the one who reads first, give it to C. One who reads first, that we don't know, he gives it to C. So C reads second. The one who reads last had taken from A. The one who reads last had taken it from A. Okay, so from A, this last person get his newspaper. And E was not the first or the last to read. E is neither in this place nor in this place. So E's place is third place. Okay. There were two readers between B and A. Between B and A, there were two readers. So here we can note two readers. So this is B's place and this all, obviously this is D's place. And the question is, who read the newspaper last? Who read the newspaper last? D reads last. Option D. 112. Choose the alternative that has the same relationship to 16 as 12 has with 168. 12 is to 168 such that 16 is to dash. Actually 12 into 14, 168. Similarly 16 into 40, 224. 113. If you fold the transparent paper along the dotted line figure X, which alternative figure would you get? When you fold it, you will get this figure. Can you agree? See, this line and the dot comes inside. So this is the option D is the answer. 114. If in a certain code def is written as 3587 and file is written as 7465, then ideal will be written as dash. This is how the code. So I, where is I? I is 4. D is 3. E is 5. And A is 8. L is 6. So the code for ideal is 43586. Option B, 43586. 115. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Here we have to find out the odd one out. Plastic, wool, paper, wood. See, listen. Wool, paper and wood are biodegradable material. Plastic is the odd one out because it is not a biodegradable material. 116. If we arrange the given words in alphabetical order, which word would come at last place? Choose the correct alternative. See, all words start with A. And look at the second letter A, random. This comes first because the second letter is A. So random comes first. Next, restrict and restaurant. Both the words have in their second place E. So look at the third letter, it is S. Fourth letter, same again T. Fifth letter, it's R here, it's A here. So this occupies the second place and this is the third place. And obviously, robber is the fourth place. So which word would come at last place? Option A, robber. 117. Choose the alternative that will continue the number series. 11 plus 2, 13. 13 plus 4, 17. 17 plus 2, 19. 19 plus 4, 23. 23 plus 2, 25. So again, plus 2 plus 4, 25 plus 4. Option B, 29. Choose the correct alternative that has the same relation to BMJ as HSY is to EPY. BMJ is to dash such that EPV is to HSY. EPV, E plus 3 FGH, P plus 3 QRS, V plus 3 WXY. Similarly, B plus 3, after B comes B, C, D, E. And after M, N, O, P. And after J, K, L, M. So the answer is EPM. Option C, EPM. 119. Which of the following diagram indicates the best relationship between flower, lotus and rose? Actually, both lotus and rose are flowers. So we can do like this. Inside flowers, rose and lotus are separate flowers. So option A is the correct answer. 120. Choose the alternative that has same relationship to 11 as 14 has with 7. 7 is to 49 such that 11 is to dash. 7 sevens are 49. Similarly, 11 11s are 121. Option D. 121. Choose the word which is least like the other words in the group. Colors are given here: green, pink, indigo, violet. The odd one out is pink. The reason is that green, indigo and violet are WebGeor colors, whereas pink does not come in that list. So pink is the odd one out. You know what is WebGeor colors? Rainbow colors. Okay. 122. If X is the brother of the son of Y's son of Y's son, which is Y's grandsons, X is the brother of Y's grandson, which means X is also the grandson of Y. How is X related to Y? X is grandson of Y. 123. Area of a rectangle is 48 meters square. If the length is 6 meters, then the breadth is. Formula says breadth is equal to area divided by length. So 48 divided by 6, 8 meter. Option D. 124. The priest told the devotee, the temple bell is rung at regular intervals of 45 minutes. So the temple bell runs once in every 45 minutes. The last bell was rung 5 minutes ago. The last bell rang 5 minutes ago, so it will ring after 40 minutes. The priest says last bell rang 5 minutes ago. So the next bell will be ringing 40 minutes after 40 minutes. The next bell is due to be rung at 7:45. So after 40 minutes, the time is 7:45. So 7:45 minus 40, 7:05. At what time did the priest give this information to the devotee? The priest gives this information at 7:05 a.m. Got it? Because every 45 minutes the bell rings. Last bell rang 5 minutes ago. So next bell will be ringing after 40 minutes. So after 40 minutes means before 40 minutes the priest is giving this information. So before 40 minutes, 7:45 minus 40 is what? 7:05. So the priest gives this information at option B, 7:05. 125. If in a certain code, MBS is coded as ODU, then BRL will be coded as dash. M plus 2, MNO. B plus 2, CD. S plus 2, TU. Similarly, BRL. B plus 2, BCD. R plus 2, ST. L plus 2, MN. So, BRL is to be coded as DTN. Option A, DTN. That's all. Thanks for watching.